Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can find Telegram user ID into Windows operating system. You can do it into mobile Telegram apps also. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, you have to come over here at the search over here, and here you just need to type raw data. Raw data space keyboard. And when you type it, you will get the first raw underscore data underscore bot option over here. If you click on that, they will then you just need to click on start, and they will provide your user ID over here. You can see. So this is how you can find Telegram user ID by using Windows Telegram apps, or you can use Android Telegram apps. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.